Every day, thousands of commercial and general aviation aircraft arrive and depart airports across the state of Mississippi. In addition to connecting friends and families, aviation is crucial to enabling countless businesses, organizations, and government agencies to successfully carry out their day-to-day operations.
As a pilot, I do think that Mississippi is aviation friendly. We have good airports. Our capital city, Jackson, has a very nice international airport. We have some nice airports on the Gulf Coast. We have nice small airports all over, just like here in Laurel. You can go all over Mississippi and you can go to these smaller airports with no airline service, and probably at a big majority of them on any given day, you'll see a corporate jet there.
Mississippi's airports are gateways to Mississippi's communities, and the state's airports are a major reason why business is looking up in Mississippi.
The John Bell Williams Airport is owned and operated by Hinds Community College. We have several aviation curriculums located here at the airport, as well as general aviation maintenance facilities. As the aviation infrastructure within Mississippi grows, we're able to provide the workforce for pilots, mechanics, drone pilots as demand increases.
The Golden Triangle Regional Airport is one of several regional airports in the state. In our case, we're surrounded by several large international industries. And we provide air service worldwide.
The Mississippi Department of Transportation recently conducted a detailed economic impact analysis with regard to the state's airports. Utilizing a special econometric modeling process approved by the Federal Aviation Administration, the agency gathered numerous data from each airport to estimate the economic impacts they bring to their respective communities.
Aurora Flight Sciences is a producer of advanced technology in aircraft and aircraft design. Locating at an airport is vital to our business.
The Golden Triangle Airport is at the epicenter of all the industrial growth in our area. In the last 10 years, we've had over $4.5 billion worth of new industry, almost 4,000 additional jobs just in those 10 years. One of the first industries to come was a company called American Eurocopter, part of EADS and Airbus, and they have since tripled in size.
Many factors were considered in the decision to locate to the Golden Triangle in Mississippi. The airport and its facilities, Columbus Air Force Base, Mississippi State University, and East Mississippi Community College, the local and state government, and at last but not least, open environment of the community and the business environment.
From the commercial airlines that serve 8 Mississippi airports to the variety of general aviation services found throughout the state at 65 general aviation airports, the aviation industry directly provides nearly 12,000 jobs and creates more than $1.6 billion in direct economic activity, all derived from on-airport businesses and construction, government agencies, and visitors arriving on commercial and general aviation aircraft.
Greenwood-LaFleur Airport has played a large role as far as Provine Helicopter's growth and development. It's centrally located to where our work is, and also clients can use their airplanes, personal airplanes, and fly in here and visit with us at the airport to go over maps, information that we may need to go and do their job.
When including the multiplier impacts, which measure the recirculation of all expenditures by businesses and employees, Mississippi's airports are even more impressive, supporting more than 20,000 total jobs, $722 million in total payroll, and more than $2.5 billion in total economic output.
Sanderson Farms has grown a lot over the years, and the aviation department has grown with that. Corporate aviation has enabled Sanderson Farms to manage its growth. I believe that it's enabled Sanderson Farms to expedite its growth because we're able to serve the plants and the communities where we have facilities much better than if we had to drive.
State of Mississippi, through different agencies, has been very helpful to Aurora Flight Sciences, enabling us to build and expand facilities and equipment. We intend to continue that growth.
I see a lot of potential for this airport. We're in a location in central Mississippi. Expect to see a lot of aviation infrastructure expansion over the next couple of years, and we're poised, as far as the curriculums that we offer here at the college, to supply aircraft mechanics, pilots, drone operators, so it is a very exciting time.
Mississippi's airport system also provides numerous qualitative benefits to which dollar values cannot be easily assigned. These numerous benefits help to improve the quality of life throughout the state. In addition, Mississippi's airports provide additional support for several crucial aspects of the state's infrastructure and economy, including specific military operations, agriculture, the state's #1 industry, air ambulance companies, corporate flights, several aerospace manufacturers, and many more.
We sell to state and local law enforcement, air medical services, tourism, communication, oil and gas, utilities, and many other sectors. Our products are used in life-saving security missions, where as a tool to protect. We serve in aid in emergencies. We also use for transportation and in the news media.
The services that Provine Helicopter Service offers is we're an aerial application business, and we do aerial mapping. We do aerial recon with the helicopters for timber companies, large timber consultants, as well as private landowners. Mississippi is a friendly state to work in. We work in about 14 to 15 other states, and I would put Mississippi at the top of those states that we work in.
Airports are basically a mirror of their local economy. If the economy is growing, then airports are able to grow too. The airport is really instrumental in the economic growth in the area.
Here at Sanderson Farms, we've got our own in-house aviation department. It's completely owned and operated by Sanderson Farms. We've grown into where we have 5 jet airplanes now. These airplanes fly just about every day.
From corporate flight departments who together employ over 200 pilots, mechanics, dispatchers, and other personnel throughout the state, generating a combined economic output of nearly $75 million, to aerial applicators for agriculture who contribute to Mississippi's food and fiber production, to the state's robust aerospace industry who rely on Mississippi's airports for manufacturing, research, and development, to much-needed military support, especially useful during natural disasters and state emergency operations, to aviation education provided by Mississippi's myriad universities and community colleges. Business is truly looking up in Mississippi, thanks in part to the state's airports. And what that means for Mississippi's economic future is, the sky is the limit.